morning everyone, this is Urvashi Kalra. Today I am going to discuss a topic with you. The topic is that basic of sign during addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Means which sign you put when you solving addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. I think about it to make a video for you because most of the students know the rule of BODMAS, but they don't know that what sign will come in the result if we solve two things with different sign or with same sign. That's why I think that to make a video for you. So look here everyone, this table is for addition and subtraction. For multiplication and division we have to make another table. We will do it after this one. So look here, supposedly if we are having a first digit with positive sign, second digit also with positive sign, this is the simple one. Then which operation we have to choose? Between addition and subtraction we have to choose the operation by ourselves. हमें खुद से choose करना पड़ेगा according to sign of digits, that we have to do addition or we have to do subtraction. So plus 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 and sign of plus will also come in our answer. This is simple one. Supposedly if you are having 5 plus 7, then what will you get? You will get 12 as your result na. So if one digit with positive sign, look here everyone, before 5, as no sign is there before 5 means this, here is a sign of addition. अगर किसी digit के आगे कोई sign नहीं लगा होता means that digit is positive 1. वो कैसे digit होती है? Positive होती है. After that 5, before 5 7 we are having a sign of addition also. So plus 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 is plus and sign of the result is also plus. We can write it as plus 12 or we can write it as 12 also. Okay, generally we will write it as like this because as we know that if we are having no sign before any digit means that is positive 1. So no need to write it as like this, just simply write 12. Okay, now after come on the second one. If we are having a digit with positive sign and a digit with negative sign, then plus minus we have to do subtraction. अगर हमारे पास दो डिजिट होती है, दोनों के अपोजिट साइन होते हैं प्लस माइनस, तो हमें क्या करना होता है? माइनस एंड साइन ऑफ बिग डिजिट कम्स and sign of big digit comes. Let us simplify it by taking an example. Supposedly you have to take a digit, one with positive sign, one with negative sign. So one with positive sign, supposedly if you take 15, and one with negative sign, supposedly if you take 10. So one with positive sign, before 15 we are having positive sign and before 10 we are having negative sign. So remember this, that the sign is there before the digit. Digit से पहले sign होता है. Some students think that 15 is negative 1. 15 के बाद जो sign है वो 15 का है, but no, sign is always before the digit. Means 15 is positive 1 and 10 is negative 1. 15 कैसा है? Positive है और 10 कैसा है? Negative. So one with positive sign, one with negative sign. What we have to do? We have to subtract them. What will we get? We will get 5 as our answer and sign of big digit comes. Big digit comes means from 10 and 12, from 10 and 15. Which one is big digit? बड़ी digit कौन सी है? Big digit is 15 ना, and its sign is positive. इसके आगे कौन सा sign है? Positive means the result is also positive 1. Okay, let us take one more example of this. Supposedly if we are having 10 minus 15, then what will you do? Some student will write the answer as 5, but that is incorrect. कुछ बच्चे इसका आंसर भी 5 लिख देंगे, but that is incorrect. So how we will solve it? Look here, one with positive sign, one with negative sign, plus minus minus. What we have to do? Plus minus minus. Which operation we have to do? We have to subtract them. So subtract them simply. 15 minus 10, what will we get? We will get 5. इनको simply क्या करना है? आपको subtract करना है. Then you have to put the sign of bigger one. You have to put the sign of big digit. So from 10 and 15, between 10 and 15, which one is bigger one? You know that 15 is bigger one and sign of 15 is negative. 15 का sign कैसा है? Negative. So in result we have to put the sign of big digit, means sign of 15, and sign of 15 is negative. That's our answer is also minus 5. हमारा आंसर क्या आया? minus 5. It is not 5, it is minus 5. Let us take one more example. Supposedly if we are having minus 7 plus 2. Okay, minus 7 plus 2. This is same as like this, one with positive sign, one with negative sign, one with positive sign, one with negative sign. ओनली डिजिट्स आर इंटरचेंज, हमने इनको आगे पीछे लिखा है बट साइन आर दीज ना, साइन तो हमारे यही है, एक का पॉजिटिव साइन है एक का नेगेटिव साइन है, सो प्लस माइनस माइनस। अब हमें क्या करना है, इनको माइनस करना है। डोंट थिंक दैट प्लस इज गिवन टू यू, यू विल डू एडिशन। ओके, ये मत सोचना कि प्लस गिवन है तो आप एडिशन करेंगे, नो, प्लस माइनस माइनस, so subtract them. 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2 is 5 and sign of big digit come. So now you have to choose the big digit. Which one is big, 7 or 2? As you know that 7 is bigger one, its sign is negative. You have to check the sign before the digit. Its sign is negative, so our answer is also the minus 5. Means in result you have to put the sign of bigger digit. Result में आपको कौन सा sign लिखना है, bigger digit का. I hope this concept is clear to you. Now come to next one. Supposedly if we are having two digit both with negative sign. Okay, so minus minus plus and sign of minus comes in our answer. So remember this, minus minus plus and sign of minus comes. Let us illustrate an example on this. Take the two digit both with negative sign. Okay, take the two digit both with negative sign. Supposedly if I take minus 5 and minus 7, so minus and minus. Now minus minus, what you have to do, you have to do addition now. अब आपको क्या करना होगा, माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाता है हमारा प्लस, हमको क्या करना है इन्हें प्लस, और साइन किसका आएगा, माइनस का. ओके, माइनस माइनस प्लस, एड देम. 5 plus 7 is 12 and sign of minus comes. माइनस माइनस प्लस ऐड कर दिया हमने और साइन किसका लिख दिया, माइनस का. डोंट थिंक दैट माइनस इज गिवन टू यू देन यू विल डू सब्ट्रैक्शन, कि आपको माइनस गिवन है या तो आप सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. इफ यू डू सब्ट्रैक्शन योर आंसर विल ऑलवेज रॉन्ग. टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. सपोजिबली इफ आई एम हैविंग minus 10 minus 40, again minus minus plus, add them, 10 plus 40 50 and sign of minus comes. So minus minus plus and sign of minus comes. Okay, now let us solve some examples of based on multiplication and division. Let us discuss the signs during multiplication and division. Okay, as we discuss the sign during addition and subtraction, now we will discuss the sign during multiplication and division. So look here everyone, in this what you have to do for addition and subtraction, we have to choose the operation by ourselves. Addition और subtraction में हमें जो operation था वो खुद से choose करना पड़ता था ना, that we have to do addition or subtraction. As I told you, plus 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 and sign of plus comes, plus minus minus and sign of big digit come. Means in this we choose the operation by ourselves, that is minus, minus minus plus, we choose the operation by ourselves, that is plus. In this case we don't have to choose the operation, we have to use the operation but whichever operation is given to us. जो भी operation हमें given होगा we have to choose that operation only. Okay, हमें वही operation choose करना है. Now supposedly if we are having two digits both with positive sign, जो ऑपरेशन आपको गिवन होगा वही चूज करना है. If supposedly we are having two digits both with positive sign, supposedly if I take 5 and 7, okay, and we have to do multiplication. Multiplication हमें given होगा. If division is given to us, अगर हमें division given होता then we will do division. Now multiplication is given to us, then we will do multiplication. 5 into 7 is 35, plus plus operation we have to, don't choose whichever the operation is given to us, we will use that one, and result is also positive 1. So 35 will come, that is positive 1. If supposedly this is given to us 4 divided by 2, okay, so both the digit with positive sign and we have to do division. दोनों डिजिट का पॉजिटिव साइन है, हमें डिवीजन करना है. हमारे रिजल्ट में कैसा साइन आएगा, पॉजिटिव 1. डिवाइड देम, 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 is 2 and result is also the positive 1. Now come to the next one. Okay, if we are having two digits both with opposite sign, one with positive sign, one with negative sign, then the sign of our result is negative 1. Plus minus, sign of our result is negative 1. Operation, but whichever operation is given to us we have to choose that one, we have to operate that one. Now let us take an example. Supposedly if I have to multiply minus 4 multiplied by 2, minus 4 multiplied by 2, one with positive sign. one with a positive sign as the sign of 2 is positive, one with negative sign as the sign of 4 is negative, and operation of multiplication is given to us. Okay, multiplication given है तो हम multiplication करेंगे. If division is given to us then we will do division. So multiply them. What will you get? 8, but 8 with a negative sign. 8 आपको कैसे साइन के साथ मिलेगा? नेगेटिव साइन. So plus minus sign of the result is negative 1. Let us take one more example. If supposedly you are having 14 divided by minus 7. Okay, 14 divided by minus 7. So one with positive sign, one with negative sign, one with positive sign, one with negative sign. Division is given to us. Firstly divide them. इन्हें divide कर दीजिए. 14 divided by 7 is we will get 2. हमें क्या मिला? 2. And sign of minus comes. Sign of minus comes. Okay, so our answer is minus 2, not 2. हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? minus 2. Okay, means ऑपरेशन आपको चूज नहीं करना है. If multiplication is given to us, you have to do multiplication. If division is given to us, we have to do division. Only you have to check the sign, that which sign will come. Now come to the third one. Supposedly if we are having two digits both with negative sign, minus and minus, so the sign of plus will come. दो digit है, दोनों का sign कैसा है? Minus, then the sign of plus will come. Okay, now supposedly if you are having two digit both with negative sign, minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Okay, why I put a bracket here? यहाँ पर हमने एक bracket क्यों लगाई? Because two signs can't come together. दो sign एक साथ नहीं आ सकते हैं. In this we are having two sign ना, multiplication and minus. That's why I put a bracket here. दो sign एक साथ नहीं आ सकते तो इसलिए हमने यहाँ पर क्या लगा दिया? Bracket. So multiplication is given to us. Multiply them. 4 into 4 is 16. So minus minus जो भी operation given है वो हमने कर दिया. Sign किसका आएगा यहाँ पर? Plus का. Means our answer is positive 16. If supposedly division is given to us, minus 4 divided by minus 4, divide them. 4 divided by 4 is 1 and minus divided by minus is positive 1. So our answer is plus 1. I hope the concept is clear to you. If still you are facing any doubt, any problem, any query, you can ask me. You can comment me. I will make a video on that one also. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.